Hello, friends. Today we will talk about the last subject of the third chapter. This video contains exceptions to the rule of vowel harmony. Well, let's start our lesson. When we are talking about vowel harmony in Turkish, we said that there are two-fold and four-fold vowel harmony. Furthermore, we said that in the two-fold vowel harmony, if the last vowel of a word is one of the letters a, I, o, u, the next vowel is a. Likewise, if it was one of the letters e, I, ö, ü, the next vowel will be e. But this rule may not always be so. There are some exceptions. Even though some words have a back vowel in their last syllables, their suffixes do not take a back vowel. Instead, they take a front vowel. Now, let's look at the examples. Saat. Please look at the last vowel. A. Normally, when we are making it plural, we should have saatler. I mean, we should have brought the suffix lar. However, there is an exceptional case here. If you ask me why, there is no reason. Because it's exceptional. You cannot do anything but memorize it. Let's look at another word. Harf. Look at the last vowel. A. Normally, when we are making it plural, we should have said harflar, because the last vowel of the word is one of the letters a, I, o, u. But there is an exceptional case. Please memorize this. After I teach you this lesson, I will do revision exercises, okay? There is no need to explain the words ihtimal, sembol, and ampul. Look at the last vowels of these words. Since it is an exception, we have to memorize it, okay? Now, let's look at the suffixes l, li, lu, lü, which are derivational suffixes. While we are making a word suffixes, we first look at the last vowel of the word. Then we add one of these four suffixes. Look at the last vowel of the word dikkat. A. We should have said dikkatli when we were making a derivational suffix. So we should have brought the suffix li, because the last vowel is one of the letters a and I. However, there is an exception. We will say dikkatli, not dikkatli. There is no need for you to memorize this rule in adjectives, because we will study vocabulary. Especially if you memorize this rule in the plural suffix, you will speak Turkish more fluently. This exception also exists in the words control and alcohol. Briefly, you have to memorize them. Let's continue with our examples. Look at the word kalp. There is an exceptional case when the word kalp also takes any suffix, as in the plural suffix. While the word kalp takes a possessive suffix, it normally takes the suffix kalbım. However, there is an exception. Kalbim, not kalbım. Okay? Ideal. The last vowel of the word is a. Normally, while the word ideal takes possessive suffix, we should have said idealım because it ends with a. But there is an exceptional case. We cannot say idealım. We will say idealim. Rol. You will not say rolum. You will say rolüm. Meşgul. The last vowel of the word is u, while making it simple present first singular suffix. It should have been meşgulüm. But there is an exceptional case. Meşgulüm. I am busy. Not meşgulüm. Meşgulüm. Exception to the rule of vowel harmony of the words that are shown in the examples can also be seen in ablative case, locative case, and dative case. Kalbe. Why didn't we say kalpe? I will answer this in the next chapter. Next chapter is about consonant harmony. Hayale. Not hayala. Saate. Not saata. Harfe. Not harfa. Let's look at the examples in the ablative case. Kalpten. Not kalptan. Hayalden. Not hayaldan. Saatten. Not saattan. Harften. Not harftan. Let's look at the examples in the locative case. Kalpte. Not kalpta. Hayal de. Not hayalda. Saatte. Not saatta. Harfte. Not harfta. Dative case, ablative case, and locative case will be taught in a detail. Dear friends, we have finished the third chapter. I hope you understand. If there is a point that you don't understand, you can write your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the videos. See you in the next course.